Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making some honey glazed fried plantains. And first thing, let's put our oil to heat up so we can get to frying. So here are my ingredients that I'll be using, and I'm just giving you a more up close look of the plantain. It's not fully ripe, right? So yeah, that's one of the reasons for doing this recipe, because I don't know about where you live, but plantains here are not the same. Like maybe in Jamaica, this would taste like really sweet and good, or at least close to sweet. No, over here, if the plantain don't black and look like it's almost spoiled, like on the outside, it is not sweet at all. So, and sometimes you want some fried plantain and you need it to be sweet, right? But it's not there yet, but you still want to fry it. Okay, so first thing first, let's cut it up. So of course you saw me peel the plantain, right? Take off the skin, so you give it a little slice in the side, and then you peel it, and then now you're cutting it up. So cut it up the way how you want it, right? So this is how I like to do it. I have another video where I showed how I fry plantain like just the regular way, and different ways how I cut it. So yeah, again, let's go through the the peeling process. So you cut off both edges, then you give it a little slice in one of the sides right there, and it makes it very easy to peel. Like in one of the side that kind of stick out, when you have your plantain, you will see it. But yeah, and just run your finger through the side and then just peel it off, quite easy. And then at an angle, you just slice and dice, slice and dice, and slice and dice. just just cut it however way, right? So here they are, all done and ready to be fried. So here I'm showing you guys how I test my oil. So you use a wooden spoon or whatever, something wooden, and you put it in there, and when you see the vigorous bubbles, it's ready. So yeah, now that these are ready, well, one side is fried or brown. Now I'm gonna flip them over and allow the other side to brown as well. You need a nice golden brown color, right? So your heat is not supposed to be too hot, just about medium, so that they can soak and give you a nice beautiful color. So yeah, the ones in the back aren't ready as yet. So now that these are ready, we are gonna flip those over, and then as soon as we're done with that, then the ones in the front, they can be taken out, and then you just took those out and put them in whatever container you want to put them in. I'm putting them in a glass bowl, and the only reason why I'm not using a paper towel is because after this, then I'm gonna add the niceness of the honey, right? So I still need them to, you'll see. But yeah, take them out and put them in a container. Gorgeous. Look at beautifulness. They're so pretty. So yeah, Vibes Sam, now we're going to take our pot and pour out the oil into something metal, or not anything plastic. Pour out the oil, and then we're going to throw back our plantains in the hot pot. Don't turn off the stove, just put it on low, and we're going to just glaze up that plantain with the honey. Look at beautiful, nice and pretty. So yeah, Vibes. So I'm just take a little spoon and you just swish them around, swish them around. You want to get the honey on all the plantains. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know that's delicious. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have our beautiful honey glazed fried plantains. So delicious, Vibes fam. I am telling you, this is so good because the plantain basically they are turned, so they are not so soft, right? So they're not giving that nice sweet fried plantain taste. But when you add the honey, right, so good. So right here, I just want to show you. So see, it kind of look harder than the regular plantain, but it tastes amazing with the honey. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go and follow me over on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.